How to use Evernote for student note organization. Are you a student looking for a way to keep your study notes organized? Evernote might just be the tool you need. Let's break down how to use Evernote for effective note organization. First, you will want to familiarize yourself with the basic components of Evernote. This platform allows you to create digital notebooks, which serve as electronic binders for your classes. Start by creating a separate notebook for each class you are taking. For example, if you are enrolled in a course called Introduction to Psychology, make a notebook specifically for that subject. This method ensures that all your notes and documents related to that class are stored together, making them easy to find when you need them. Next, consider organizing your notebooks into stacks. A notebook stack is a collection of related notebooks grouped together. You might create a stack for each semester, such as Fall 2020 or Spring 2025, and place all relevant class notebooks within that stack. This keeps everything tidy and makes it simpler to locate specific notes when the semester gets busy. Now let's talk about creating and organizing notes within each notebook. You can create new notes that contain text, images, audio recordings, or even videos. This flexibility allows you to capture information in a way that suits your learning style. For instance, if you learn better through visual aids, you can include images or diagrams in your notes. To make your notes even easier to manage, use tags. Tags are keywords or phrases you can assign to your notes, making them searchable across different notebooks. For example, if you have notes on various topics within a class, you can tag them with terms like lectures, assignments, or study tips. This way, you can quickly find all notes related to a specific topic without having to sift through each notebook. Evernote also allows you to customize your notes. You can add titles, colors, and even emojis to make your notes visually appealing. This can help you quickly identify different types of information at a glance. Additionally, you can include links to websites, download videos, or add audio snippets to enrich your study materials. There are practical applications for using Evernote as a student. You can share notebooks with classmates or study groups, making collaboration on projects easier. With Evernote, you can access your notes from any device with an internet connection, so you can study anywhere, whether you are at home or on the go. By using different formats like text, images, and audio, you can capture information in ways that work best for you. Implementing these strategies will help you efficiently organize your study notes using Evernote, making it easier to manage your academic workload and study effectively.